What's up, guys? I'm just backed up a bike today and thought I would show you guys to see if it's in really that good a shape. We picked up this 2005 CRF 250R. This is my brother's bike, and you know, it ran and drove pretty good when we went to go get it, but we looked at the oil and it's not looking so good. So we're gonna drain it and see if it's really in that good a shape to what they said it was. All right. Is it gonna be a milkshake? Ooh, that's... Don't believe them when they say they just changed the oil. Because the dude told us he just changed the oil. That's black as can be. Like it's like a gray. Thankfully, we do not have a milkshake though, so I think this bike is still good to go. Make sure you always check your fluids and stuff. Don't just take people's word for it, or else you might get yourself into a little bit of trouble and be rebuilding one of these pretty soon. Yikes, that's nasty. All right, now we're gonna take this filter off and see how it looks. Well, may need to get a ratchet for that. Man, those are on pretty tight. Those should not be that tight. These do not be stripped. Just take this one with the air, or with the impact. Come off there, man. There we go. Yummy. Just changed the oil. Yeah, I definitely believe that. I don't see any metal flakes or anything in it though, so that's a good thing. Oh my gosh. All around, it's not a bad bike for $2 grand. It's a 05. It's got some nice parts on it, but it's definitely been a little abused. But I think she'll turn out to be a pretty nice bike. It's got a nice wheel, tusk wheel on the back. Just kind of clean her up, make her look like a nice bike. If you guys want to see more dirt bike content like this, just let me know down in the comments. And also, we got more dirt bikes and stuff we can do videos on. And also, we got stuff in the shop we can do wrench on. We got this thing. It's a 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. And we got the body off and the transmission out. And we're restoring that thing. And also, we got a vintage bike over here. It's a 76 Honda TL250. And we got the motor out of it and we're fixing it up. So if you guys want to see more content like this, just let me know and drop it down in the comments. And thanks for watching.